Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with CryptoNinjas. My name is Dale, and at this video, I'm going to show you the best BingX exchange referral code for 2025 that you can use to receive 20% off of your trading fees for life and up to $7,700 in bonuses rewards that you can claim. Let's freaking go. The best BingX referral code for 2025 can be found right up here. Yeah, it's a bunch of random text. So make sure to copy and paste this exact one. Or if you're not careful, just go to the link down in the description or in the comment. So that leads you directly to the registration page so you don't use a wrong one. I'm going to show you how to apply this code step by step. First, you need to go to the bingx.com website and click on the sign up right up here on the screen. Or you can just skip this step and click the link down in the description and comments, and it will lead you directly to this page. And the referral code should be automatically applied right here in the referral code box. If you click on the link, then it will show you more clearly what you can receive if you use our referral code. Now look at this. If you use our referral code, which is HHZMEIBV, right, you will enjoy a 20% rebate. Now this is very important. Now before you use or sign up with any referral codes, I want you to check this line right here. Okay, if there are other referral codes out there that doesn't show you this line in the referral code box, then that means it is an entirely scam. Okay, only legitimate referral codes can give you a 20% rebate, and it will show up like this. I'm gonna do a reload of this page to show you that we mean business. Okay, look at this. You will enjoy a 20% rebate, and it is fixed in this link. And besides that, when you click on this link, you can claim your $6,600 in USDT as a welcome gift. So thank you very much, BingX, as well as 1,100 USDT as exclusive perks. Now that is for a new user sign up only. This amount of rewards is insane. It is one of the highest that I've covered in all of my exchanges videos. So make sure to go to BingX and use our referral code today and enjoy that money and also a 20% rebate ratio. Once you have verified everything and you feel good with our referral code, just enter your email to sign up or your phone number, depends, and then enter a password that you'd like. Here we go. After signing up, there will be a little notification box showing up saying that you need to complete KYC verification to receive up to 500 USDT in rewards and unlock the full BingX services. Make sure to do that. Just click on complete KYC and start uploading your ID, driver's license, all of the good stuff. After KYC, you can start claiming your rewards by completing a certain task. Click on the you have received a sign up reward up to 30 USDT in the top right of my screen right now. Right click on it and this would show up. You can win up to $7,700 in USDT. However, keep in mind that the new user zone task will end in about 21 days after signing up. So make sure to complete it in about 3 weeks or you will not get the money. Just click on check-in. That's first of all, right? Check in. And then you can also complete a few new user tasks. For example, create a BingX account to grab a reward up to 30 USDT. So it will be in the form of a mystery box, so you can get from your $5 to $30. So it depends on your luck. But as you can see, it's pending reward, so I'm gonna receive it. Now, advanced identification. If you're done with that, then you can receive from $5 to $500. If you're lucky, right, you can receive a lot of money. Then next up is you have to deposit your first amount of money into the exchange, just $50 worth, right, of USDT, and you can receive another mystery box worth from 1 to 500 USDT. Now, if any of you receive $500, let me know in the comments because you are massively lucky. And then you can make your first trade, futures or spot, whatever it is that you want. And remember to use our code for 20% off fees. A volume over $100, simple, just $50, 2x leverage, and that's it. You can close immediately, right? And you can receive a mystery box from 1 to 500 USDT. Crazy. And then finally, the good stuff is you can join the exclusive trading challenge for limited users. Now, if you add all of this up, that's 500, that's $1,500 already that you just have to deposit a little bit of money and trade. $1,500 ladies and gentlemen. So that's crazy. If you want to get more money, like $6,000, then obviously you have to trade more, right? You can complete the futures task for the next couple of days to receive more money. So the cumulative futures trading volume of $5,000 will give you $3. $30,000 will give you $5. So you would look at these trading volumes and you'd be like, oh, that's a lot of money, right? $30,000. But if you look at futures trading, it's not a lot of money at all. If you have, let's say, like $100, right, that you deposit in BingX and you use like a 20x or 50x leverage, let's say you use 50x leverage for Bitcoin, so $100 times 50, that's already a $5,000 in a trading volume, and you will automatically qualified for $3 already, right? And you can just open it and close it immediately. You don't have to trade. You don't have to hold the orders, right? So that's insanely easy. If you do it a couple more times, $30,000, $80,000, $200,000, insanely a lot. And that's it for my video about the best BingX referral code for 2025. Again, the code can be found right up here on the screen, or you can click the link down in the description and in the comments so that it leads you directly to the page. As of today, October 1st, 2025, this code gives you 20% rebates on all of your spot and futures orders, as well as up to $7,700 in USDT bonuses for new user signups. So make sure to use our code for the best possible rewards. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Daily out.